In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track mileage in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account and head to your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to create a mileage entry as an expense. This is a simple way to keep your travel records organized, especially if you need them later for reporting, reimbursements, or client billing. From the dashboard, click Create New and then choose Expense. This opens a new expense entry where you can record the details of your trip. In the expense category, select mileage. Choosing the correct category is important because it helps FreshBooks organize the expense properly and makes your records easier to review later. Next, enter the date of the trip. Be sure to choose the correct travel date so your records stay accurate and match your business activity. After that, type in the mileage expense amount in the expense entry. Take a moment here to make sure the amount is entered correctly, since this will affect your tracking and any reporting tied to it. Now add a description of the trip. This field is useful for noting where you traveled, the purpose of the trip, or any other details that will help you identify the expense later. A clear description makes your records much more useful when you need to look back through them. If you have any supporting documentation, you can upload it at this stage. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to keep related files together with the expense for easy reference. You also have the option to assign the mileage expense to a client or project. If the trip should be billed to a client, use the Assign to Client or Project option. This helps ensure the expense is connected to the correct work and can be included where needed. Before saving, review all the details carefully. Double-check the category, date, amount, and description to make sure everything is accurate. If needed, you can also configure additional settings such as recurring or currency options. These settings are optional, but they can be useful depending on how you manage your expenses. Once everything looks good, click Save to record the mileage expense. After saving, go to your expenses list and review the record to confirm that the mileage expense has been added correctly. That's it. You've successfully tracked mileage in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching.